In an interview for a BBC documentary in 2013, Alistair Sooke asked the comic book artist Dave Gibbons if he considered Lichtenstein a plagiarist. Gibbons replied, "I would say copycat. In music, for instance, you can't just whistle someone else's tune or perform someone else's tune, no matter how badly, without someone getting credit or giving payment to the original artist." Uh, I'm curious what you think about that. Like, how do you feel about artists kind of just mimicking someone else's art slash just copying, whether it's a painting or a song? I really want to know what you think about this. In the early 60s, Lichtenstein reproduced masterpieces by Cezanne, Mondrian, Picasso, and later in his career, works by Vincent van Gogh. Lichtenstein's still life paintings, sculptures, and drawings, which span from 1972 through the early 80s, cover a variety of motifs and themes, including the most traditional as fruit, flowers, and vases. He continued to do a lot more work in the 80s and 90s, and he died on September 29th, 1997. He was one of a handful of revolutionary artists, again, with Warhol, Rosenquist, Rauschenberg, who really defined the pop art movement. And I think, really, I think those are the figures that we probably look at the most. We point to the most as being um, the most famous, I think, of the bunch in the world of pop art. Here's a little YouTube video about that.